Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Squarespace domain to Google Sites. First, you will prepare your Google site by enabling custom URLs and obtaining the required verification record. Next, we will navigate to your Squarespace account to access the domain's advanced DNS settings. Finally, you will add the specific record to establish the connection, ensuring your website is accessible through your custom domain. This process typically takes just a few simple steps to complete. To begin, open your Google site and locate the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner. From there, select the Custom URL option. You will then be prompted to enter your Squarespace domain name, such as www.yourdomain.com. After entering your domain, Google Sites will generate a unique CNAME record. This record is crucial for verifying your ownership and linking your domain, so make sure to copy it accurately. Now, log into your Squarespace account. From the main menu, find and click on Domains. Select the specific domain name you wish to connect to your Google site. Within the Domain Management area, look for Advanced DNS Settings. Here, you will add a new CNAME record. You'll use the unique CNAME value that Google Sites provided in the previous step to correctly configure this record. When adding the CNAME record in Squarespace, ensure you accurately input the value from Google Sites. For the host field, typically use www or your chosen subdomain. After saving these changes, it's important to understand that DNS updates can take some time to propagate across the internet. This process usually completes within 24 to 48 hours. Once propagation is complete, open a web browser and test your custom domain to confirm the successful connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.